I am back with another video. This I've not done for a very long time. तो मैंने YouTube पे बहुत सारे कुर्ती हॉल्स देखे and most of them are from Meesho. So I also tried Meesho and their kurtis. So Meesho is India's #1 earning app where more than 1 crore resellers earn more than 25,000 rupees a month. Where it is zero investment, zero risk, and you can just resell and earn sitting at home. So let's start the haul. So the first piece I'm starting with is the one I'm wearing. This is a yellow kurta. I'll put a picture here. This is a yellow kurta with इस पे कोएस कलर के ऐसे वर्क है, एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड मिरर वर्क है, टर्कोइज कलर का. इट्स नॉट ग्रीन बट इट्स ऑल्सो नॉट टर्कोइज. तो येलो पे दिस इज़ अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल कुर्ता एंड फॉर द प्राइस इट इज़ अमेजिंग. द मटीरियल इज़ सो गुड, आई कांट इवन टेल यू. ये इतना अच्छा मटीरियल है एंड इट्स नॉट ट्रांसपेरेंट एट ऑल. Like I'm wearing and setting, you can see. I'll highly suggest this one and I'll rate it a 5 on 5 for this. This is a beautiful one. Okay, so this piece is a pistachio green palazzo kurta set with a dupatta. The palazzo is beautiful. It has this work on the bottom. The dupatta has a pink lining and the kurta is a plain kurta with few buttons here. I would like to add here, it's not exactly the one shown in the picture because I was expecting a material which was different, but for the price that it came in, I think this is pretty decent. So I would definitely give it a 4.5. So the next piece that I have to show you is this Sharara set. So this is a kurta, a short kurta, anarkali style, the same pattern, Sharara. This is a 2-tier Sharara, very beautiful. The kurta ends here and then the Sharara gives it a beautiful look, and dupatta is a plain one. So something like this. I love the color. It's magenta pink. I love the color. The fitting is perfect. The material is amazing. It's awesome. And this is definitely a 5 on 5 for me and probably one of the best purchases here. So definitely go for this one if you're looking for a good outfit to wear with gold earrings. This is gonna look amazing. So yeah, let's move on. So the next one that I have is a very beautiful pink color, bandhani print kurta with a white skirt with bird printed on it. It's so beautiful, and the same dupatta, the same print dupatta. So it goes like this, then you have this on top of it. Let me just on top of it, and then the dupatta, and then the dupatta. So you see, I'll put the image here for you to see for reference. It is a very beautiful outfit. A whole set is freaking amazing. So this one is highly recommended. Again, I am so impressed with Meesho's kurtis that I'm totally gonna do a 10 kurti haul one day. All the kurtis are amazing. The sets are great. I am giving this also 5 on 5. Please there can't be any lesser rating for this. This has to be a 5/5. Now let's move on to the next one. Another yellow one like the one I'm wearing, but थोड़ा सा yellow different है. It's a mustard yellow. And ये ड्रेस मैंने पता नहीं कितनी जगह पे देखा है, कितनी जगहों पे मैंने देखा है ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. एंड ऐसा नहीं है कि ऐसे इसको ऐसे नहीं पहनना है. इट कम्स विद द डोरी, यू हैव टू पुट द डोरी इनसाइड दिस. तो ये डालना थोड़ा मेहनत का काम है. I'll give it to Mrigyara to put the dory inside. But for the material is amazing. The material is superb. The material is great. I'm giving it again a 5/5 for the material because I did not expect the material to be so good. I actually, to be very honest, ordered a similar piece from Instagram once and double the price of this one, and the material was of, I can't even tell you, it was crepe or what, I don't know. वो ऐसे बैठने पे सिकुड़ जाता था, so I had to return it. But this one, it's actually good. इसका material बहुत अच्छा है and you can wear it as a dress. It is beautiful. So again, a 5/5. So the next piece that I'm gonna show you is again a yellow one, but again a different shade of yellow. So this is yellow. That was mustard yellow. This is lime yellow. पंचनामा, प्यार का पंचनामा 2 reference. Yellow, mustard yellow, don't know what yellow. So they're like a lime yellow. इसका there is the kurta and the skirt is attached to it, so it is a double layered kurta. So you can consider it a set because you just need a dupatta for it, nothing else. Dupatta also, if you have a golden one, perfect. If you can find a similar color, perfect. If not, doesn't need a kurta. इस पे mirror work है, you can see little mirror works, and the border is beautiful. नीचे का there are tassels here on both the sides, and when you wear it, it gives you the ghair. And the material amazing. It is double lined. ये आगे का है and this is the अंदर का, so it is double lined. For the price, definitely I'm giving it, this is the first outfit I'm giving a 10/5 because सब में से इसका material, the best material I found from all of this. The entire thing is this one. It is beautiful, it is amazing. So definitely go for this one if you're looking for. I think there are other colors in it. मुझे yellow पसंद है, so I took yellow. I think yellow is the color of the season. Let's declare it that.
Open the Meesho app on your phone and choose the product that you want to order. Check the sizing and everything. Now, add to cart. Choose your size and press continue. It will take you to your cart where you can choose your preferred payment method, like I chose cash on delivery. Now press proceed. Now here comes the part where you can add your margin. Like the product price for this one is 565. If you want to earn a margin of 100 rupees, you can type in 665 and you can see 100 rupees margin. And if not, you're buying it for yourself, you can type the same amount given below, 565, and you see the margin is 0. Press proceed. Now you have to choose your shipping address and then press proceed. Now you'll see your order summary. Place your order. and your order has been successfully placed. And you can also track your order.
So you now know how Meesho works. So go download the app from the link given in the description box. You get 100 rupees off or 20% off, whichever is more, if you download the app from the link given in my description on your first order. So go download it fast. Come on, let's go. And yes, at home, if you're somebody who wants to earn from home, you can definitely download Meesho and start earning right away. The profit that you earn, the margin that you earn, straight goes into your account, is transferred to your account. No wallet, no hassle, nothing. Just it goes straight to your account. And if you're buying it for yourself, you just have to put zero margin. So definitely go download Meesho and start shopping right away. I have not seen an app where you get affordable clothes like these, and I'm a fan now. So now I'm gonna try a lot more kurtis from Meesho. So you're gonna see another haul of kurtis very very soon because I am a fan now. Definitely gonna try more of these. तो ये था वीडियो. तब तक के लिए अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्रेस द लाइक बटन. अगर बहुत अच्छा लगा तो शेयर विद योर फ्रेंड्स, योर फैमिली एंड एवरीबडी यू नो. I will see you guys next time with another video. नीचे एक subscribe का button है. Do press it before you go if you're seeing me for the first time. I'll see you next time. Till then, signing off.